Hi DrawSoCuties, Wendy here. Happy New Year's! But before we head into 2021, let's take a look back at 2020 and all the DrawSoCute drawings I've done for you in this digital poster. This DrawSoCute poster comes highly requested. I want to thank you cuties for loving it so much and requesting that I make one for you every year. Just go to my website at DrawSoCute.com and you can download this digital poster for free. You can do whatever you want with it, just as long as it's for your own personal use. I really hope you love this poster just as much as all the other posters I've done for you over the years. There's over 300 drawings this year, and so that means I've been working super hard for you cuties, and it was all worth it because of all your feedback and your comments letting me know how much I am inspiring and helping you. I want to let you cuties know that you inspire me too. The support you give me, the love, the comments, the requests, it all just really inspires me to keep doing what I do. I would love to know which of these drawings you love the most this year, so please comment below and let me know, and I can't wait to see what you write. Thanks so much, cuties, for such a wonderful year, and I hope to keep inspiring and helping you next year as well and the years to come. So remember, just go to my website at DrawSoCute.com and you can download this poster for free. Happy New Year's, DrawSoCuties, and remember to keep smiling. I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.